Welcome. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the quick and simple steps to allow tags from everyone on Instagram. Whether you're trying to make your profile more discoverable, collaborate with others, or just keep your content more open, adjusting this setting only takes a few moments. Let's go step by step so you can turn it on right away. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're inside, head straight to your profile page. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile, where you can access all the important settings. Next, look for the menu button, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. Go ahead and tap on that. From here, you'll see several options, but what we're looking for is the one labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to continue. Inside the settings, scroll down until you find the option called Tags and Mentions. This is the section where you control who can tag you in photos, videos, and other posts on Instagram. Tap on Tags and Mentions to open up more choices. Now, you'll see different options for who can tag you. By default, Instagram might limit tags to only people you follow. But here is where you can make a change. Tap on Allow Tags From, and then select Everyone. This ensures that anyone on Instagram, whether you follow them or not, can tag you in their posts. Once you've chosen this option, the change is saved automatically. You don't need to press any extra buttons. It's all done instantly. From that point forward, anyone who wants to tag your account will be able to do so without restrictions. And that's it. You've successfully allowed tags from everyone on Instagram. It's a small adjustment that can make your profile more open to collaborations, shoutouts, and community engagement. If at any time you change your mind, you can always come back to this setting and adjust it again.